Hey guys. Hey, so how's it going? GoPro's having a little bit of a hiccup. Sorry about that. It's Taylor again. I hope you guys enjoyed the most recent video with Darian's car. Sorry there wasn't a whole lot of snow drifting in that. We ended up, as you saw, getting stuck, and that was eventful. It was definitely a fun time. But hope you guys enjoyed it. I need to work on like the cinematic variations more. I know it was a little it wasn't the most stable, so I apologize. I do need to get a gimbal to help with that. I would love to get one. I'd love to get a drone too, but money is super tight. It's gonna be tight for a little bit. I don't know if many of you guys knew, but I had a dog. Have a dog, not had, have a dog. He's about 10 months old, roughly. No, 8 months. 8 months. 9 months in February. And there's just been some stuff going on. He's been sick the last couple of days, and had to do x-rays, and there's possibly something blocking, like there's some blockage in his stomach. I know what it is. At least I think I know what it is, unless he's been eating other stuff that I don't know about. So money's super tight at the moment, so I won't actually be doing many modifications to this. I know everyone's always like, ooh, tax return money, you know, going to car parts. No, that's going to bills, unfortunately. There's no way that I can get around that. I was hoping to do some stuff to this, but won't be able to. I'm honestly probably going to try and pick up some extra shifts if I can this next week, just to make some extra money, you know, hopefully be able to pay for all this. It really sucks. I hope my dog's alright. The vet called me and said that he normally loves belly scratches, and he's, you know, he hasn't minded them recently, but the vet says that she tried rubbing his belly and he just wasn't having it, and he just doesn't like it. So it really sucks. He won't eat or anything like that. So pretty much just gonna go from there, and you know, just hope the dog's alright. But anyway, more reviews to come when I get the time and stuff now. I've got another 2 Subarus lined up to do a video on. Possibly 3 2-in-1 video. We're video with a couple of my friends that have Subarus. One's a 03 RS, the other one is, I think it's an 05. Holy cow, this rain. An 05 WRX, I think, or yeah, I don't think it's a R, I think it's a Blobeye. So that'll be really cool if I can do that. The Blobeye, it's tuned and stuff, I can tell you that right now. Wow, this rain's pretty insane. I need new wipers too. But we'll find out what's gonna happen with my dog and stuff. You know, we hope for the best, of course. We'll just go from there and hope everything happens as it's supposed to. And man, I know a lot of people are always wanting to win that 80/80 contest for like the cars and stuff. I could care less about the car now. I wanted to win the car, but I'd much rather just take the cash, and I'd honestly sell the car. I know that's totally random, but 80/80's local here in Utah, so why not, you know, bring it up. Justin, I've met him a couple times. I've seen a lot of their work they do, like not the work they do, obviously. Well, they do actually quite a bit of work in their shop. I shouldn't say that, but you know, I've seen like a lot of stuff. Oh my. This is, wow. This is not fun at all. You know, like I've seen the work that they do, and I love it. It's wonderful. The last R32 they gave away, Pandem kit, it was great. I loved it. Couldn't afford it though. Well, couldn't afford to do something like that. But yeah, that'd be a nice way to get just a little bit of money, you know. Pay the taxes on the car, register it. Use the rest to go towards bills and stuff. But yeah, more reviews to come. another friend's car. I just need to find time to meet up with him and do that. So that'll be cool. I hope you guys all, you know, like, enjoy these videos. If not, you know, tell me how I can improve. I'd love some criticism on these. Let me know what I can do to, you know, help you guys enjoy these and just be a little bit better and stuff like that. Because that's my, you know, goal. Like, I want to make videos that you guys will enjoy and like and actually watch. So yeah, guys, if you could, you know, like, help me out with that, tell me what I should do. I don't even know what I'm gonna name this video, probably like, what can I do for you, pretty much. Like, how can I help you guys enjoy these videos more? Like, do I need to have more friends on? Do I need, you know, like, more jokes? I don't know. You guys tell me. When I do get the money for car parts, I'll do a DIY intake installation, because that's what I'm going for, is the intake. Oh my. So I'll do like a video on that and stuff, and we'll pretty much just go from there. Oh, the wind is pushing my car all around. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna focus on driving. So yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Sorry it was short. Sorry, you know, I don't mean to burden everyone that watches these. Obviously, you don't. Yeah, you know, it happens. My dog will be all right. I'll get everything squared away. But let me know what I can do to improve on stuff. This is just, you know, a little vlog here and there. So enjoy, guys. See ya.
Hold up.